They told him what success looks like. A big house, a fancy car, a job that sounds important. He believed them, until one day he realized he was living someone else's dream. This is the story of Ethan, a young man from a small countryside village in England. He grew up watching his father wake up at dawn, work in the fields, and come home tired but peaceful. Ethan always wanted a simple life too, to paint, to create things, to live close to nature. But the world had other plans for him. Everyone around him said, "You must go to the city, Ethan. That's where real success is." His teachers, his friends, even his neighbors kept saying the same thing. And like most of us, Ethan started to believe it. So after school he packed his bag, left the quiet village behind and went to London. At first everything looked exciting. Tall buildings, shiny cars, people always rushing somewhere. It felt like a new world. He got a corporate job, wore a suit every morning, and took selfies in the office. But slowly, something inside him began to fade. He'd sit by the window at night, staring at the city lights and think, "Why do I feel so empty?" He was earning more than ever, yet sleeping less than ever. He was surrounded by people, yet felt completely alone. He smiled at work, but his heart was tired. One weekend he visited his village again after 2 years. The same green fields, the same smell of rain. And there he saw his old friend Liam, still painting, still living the same quiet life Ethan once dreamed of. Liam smiled and said, "So, Mr. Big City, how's life?" Ethan laughed, but his eyes said something else. They sat under the old oak tree where they used to play as kids. Liam said softly, "You know, Ethan, people keep running toward what others call success, but they forget peace is also a form of success." Those words hit Ethan deep inside. That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. He realized he'd been running so hard. He never stopped to ask why. He had been chasing dreams that weren't even his. In the morning, he made a decision. He quit his job. Everyone thought he had gone mad. His friends said, "You're throwing your life away." But for the first time, Ethan didn't care what they said. He returned to the village. He took his old paintbrushes, built a small art studio near the river, and started painting again. Days turned into weeks. He painted sunsets, smiling faces, and memories of the life he almost lost. And soon, his paintings started getting noticed online. People from across the country wanted to buy them. Ethan didn't plan it for money. He just followed what made his heart feel alive. And slowly he built a life that wasn't loud, but full of meaning. You see, sometimes the world tells you what your dream should look like, but only your heart knows what truly makes you happy. Ethan learned that success isn't about living up to others' expectations. It's about living in alignment with your own soul. So stop chasing others' dreams. Stop comparing your path with someone else's. The world doesn't need another copy, it needs you. Because when you dare to be different, you become free. And that's the real success. So tonight, ask yourself, am I living my dream or someone else's? Because the answer might just change your life.